omo chichi nipa. For there is a hidden agenda. Agenda titiro bi koso e wo NDC amanyoko no. Omo de na mo so e di nsemfo wo man no. Nsemfo no omo die bi ni se omo chichi nipa. Na se nipa no omo chichi won no. There is a reason behind. So the nipa da sani Ghana for ya adwene enyanko so. And the rest me da me beti ho akyerɛw. E wo hu hidden plan agenda kese pa yura mahama. Odi sie Ghana for I na manu suntia odi chichi amanfo se de be obedai beti amanfo adwene e de akosi asem foforo so na de ekoso ankasa no ya nka ho asem because how anema esiko no things that are coming out there are many, so they have to do something to cover some of the things. Yebeka sa asem no as our first topic. Everyone so ani abawuram ohima NDC ni hema ma mi oye NDC ni hema pa oye NDC ni hema kese pa ma me na wa babo ntren se oni NDC fo omo to nkwanta omo apai onye NDC ni biem because NDC amanyoko na kura ni mase omo ayeden omo amanere aho because they now dwene fa omo ho no enye no na omo ba omo yo if you also ani eko NDC journalist na jantoa ene wa ba bonten ede sabio yenka ne se yenka se oyi ura na do danko kufu ado aye pa o se na do po na homodre na do ye bypass bi oye juma pa o se juma ba kwa na do ye ya atona suma odwene ho nte ase ai o se Ghana ni ba bia mo na do abaso ene the free education ene na jantoa kasa se ye mo na do abaso. Yes, see, when it is doing. You see, no credit. Assume entering kata no credit suda. Said the tibia there will be a day no credit. Every free sumu about it. Yebeka sa ede afa sa asem no ho. If you want na ye call papa bi ye say friend justice atukuba. Oyen this cinema panyini pa. Sa man we ono na odi asem bi e wo Ghana maimo a oma NDC ekotena akonya so for the second time during Mahama time when he tried to succeed Hira John Evans Atta Mills. Waba abonten o dey nsem strong warning e dey ama the NDC parliament of today. And also yebeka ho asem wi ani e phone lines na tum na won so no watumi afre na wa kire adwen. Hi, Ras Media GH on YouTube, Ras Media GH on Facebook, and Ras Media GH on what? On TikTok.
We're told that we're now going to go into a 24-hour economy. I'm amazed by this statement. By somebody who couldn't keep the lights on for 12 hours is going to give us a 24-hour economy. With what power are we going to power this 24-hour economy when even 12 hours you can't keep the lights on? The killer of killers, Dumso. For 4 years, you couldn't keep the lights on.
Yes, for 4 years, you couldn't keep the lights on. And then they also be 24-hour economy. You believe you can do that. Nanadu buye ebuyembe but yampa ntie ene ekoto abafon ai nenam so ama Hira John Darega Dramani Mahama oneti akonya so. Na abusia, let me address you this thing. Asema me babeka ni mei. Entrese me obi a me support corruption. Temi ye pa. Asema me babeka ni mei. Entrese me support obi a odidi atem anase obi a oni Ghana aso. I don't support that person. So I want people to put this thing into their minds before they listen to me. It is very, very important. Abusian 4. Dennis Melako Sabwaje. Okateche Kwame Afrifa. Ene Kamira. Yesiaba Bechi ni pafufuro kura denaka home. Sanche na NDC for the tree sankro from yensa way at this time. Me ba men kama wate o ho ase wo ha enne se fatu tim se eye tactics yɛahyɛda ne yɛatena ase adwena pra ne sɛ ɛwɔ sɛ saa bere wei mu yɛnkyekye Ghanafoɔ binom a wɔyɛ MPP foɔ ntom na meba no aba abɛkyerɛ deɛ nti a ɛho hia sɛ NDC foɔ ɛbɛtumi akye MPP foɔ ɛde agum yɛnwura asɛm no mu na menɔ mu asutɔ me maame ama me mawakɔ aba meyɛ Kwasi Asamoah mekyerɛ na love Lex owusuwo nso mekyia yɛ pa yɛnwura asɛm no mema mu asudɔkɔ abusuamfoɔ yɛnyina nim sɛ bere kakra bi a atwa mi within a shorter period of time animguase ahodoɔ political embalancement disgrace politically and then happen into the house of the NDC abusuamfoɔ this is just in about 2 weeks before this week the NDC as a party ruling party no animguase na to omo in that 2 weeks now no there are a lot of embarrassment ebinisa one yewura mahama ekogina baabi during his time ekoka say nsuo to na nsuo hirifa sabio akra apanya ote so ne fort na ono betena konwa so a nsuo hirifa akra na yehweye na oti aluprem na already asie no the bigger and shameful what them call reputation kase de beto NDC party no omoso yie pa temi yie pa sa nsuo na ehiri yo ankranman tam asisa amanfo e de amanfo ne makoye sa de na esiye no it exposed you mahama kakraka pa na a very big expose unim de ntia enye se because ensuo hiri bi enhiri wo akra penyo dabi eye because of the comment ya ono no ma ye abra na oti opposition now him say this time so make say the politics of today is completely different from the politics of before ebrana na ukojira ba bi na uka asema uka wi a ayira this time asema obeka bia ye twato ho ochina na de ayeden they compare what you're doing enti sansem na papa ne kafa akra fraud and when he was in opposition na ne preso na konwa bro de akonwa so akra ensuo gifaye no na ye disgrace akasiepa na ye disgrace mu true so the NDC said no mahama has been exposed already by another promises omaye woman bank 24-hour economy why enko kwani bia fo me de pipe be simfimfini automatic posting sanema we nyina no political imbalancement abeto NDC amanyoko no na ensuo hiri nso asen be hira ka ho na ababeto won ayedai ababeto won so ti asamina mo ayedene. The thing is that in the political space for about 1 month and nobody talks about MPP apart from NDC for when they want to hide themselves. So the pressure on the NDC was very high. Now, assembly the try in a minute, the try concura NDC for decided say they must to arrest some of the MPP public figures in the said. Sabri we am no say NDC for nkrofobidi the constitution na it say nipa bia Ghana nipa bia our criteria to become the president of the republic obetimi anko only 8 years no and this problem asheda at the court to say they want the Supreme Court interpretation which means to say our person omonti ase say yewura John Mahama betumi assign stand the BM as a president or not. Now remember, sir, now that I'm talking with you, the Ghana Supreme Court is packed with the NDC, what they call judges. And all the courts, Ghana Maimono, NDC Abanya packing Crawford, Chi and Odio Moko. And to the Omoyan say, they are finding a way for the John Mahama to come at the third run because the woman here. And this if what should I internal what they call elections. And this if what should I internal research. Or why should I PSK they are big researchers. I'm on Juma on the surface of Ghana who said there is no candidate in the NDC today who can stand Dr. Bawumia in 2028. But you won't tell me, so we've been so far the analysis. Papa, we are your friend. What is the name? Info Analytics. Then some of the Babontin Kuren and pro NDC agenda. So we had the results not the banner. NDC man can nipa be any NDC man now more to about NDC among you could over to me 50% at the end the flag bearership a position. And think about national. It the woman say, Omo personal, and I said their own research. They say Dr. Bawumia is far ahead of them, and nobody can beat Dr. Bawumia. Then this is trying to do. They say they want John Mahama to candidate himself again. And the assuming this is from the constitution now, a governance. The duration of a person to be a president, you know, that article on Ankasano, they are Supreme Court to say, because they want to know if John Mahama can come again. John Mahama, they want to bring him again because that is why they started from somewhere. What they did was that the Supreme Court judge, without any reason, because they knew what they wanted to do. Court will hold on and say, "Oh, man, no." NDC abanya sheda package judges somewhere NDC for one and not your mako. So obviously, some no more the court, Supreme Court honor. They are going to turn themselves and they will come back and they will say, the Constitution is interpreted this way, so Mahama should go again. This is because no one in the NDC as a party today, they have nobody on this planet called Earth, open to me, Ejina NDC team, at the winning elections against you, Dr. Bawumia. So the NDC is strategically working on how to bring John Mahama again, because they believe, Yehuda Mahama, so far as a certain president, you know, he can use some manners to abuse power or to use the state resources to capture power again for the NDC. It is some no court asem we ye de babon tena ensem bebre na de babantino. The NDC decided to what? To arrest some public figures in the MPP to shift the attention completely from the state affairs to the MPP affairs. Timiye pa. And I'm saying we walk court same way. Send this for Jaima MPP for ye talk for even more than a month, and I say even for a week here. The public opinion will condition the judges at the Supreme Court. Because Ghana niba be no can say yes, Mama Hama batem. Now nye NDC cronia obeka say otiase because say oh yes you are putting the country's freedom at risk. So na wankasa wodo pebesisa constitution no na tima ma wakwanya ma wasan akwa president biem no oh yes sir, you make people angry, and when the people get angry omopaja atuo ni asekan and the presidency and then coup d'etat so it affect everybody. So what the NDC is doing is they want to do this thing underground. They want to do this thing underground. And in the idea coach miracles abuaje any category free fa I didn't say my friend my year man for an answer. Let me tell you something. Hey, assemble and this abanka the entire coach miracles abuaje. Almost one coach miracles abuaje because ne ho bon ewo institution bi ana oka ho bi. First of all, Melagos Abuaje has never been minister for payment or may onyam hodu any responsibility in that officer or any in charge of payment or hodu that offend saying that position that your friend on to change. So we see obi sika na enu nti okwa akoche na. Do you go and arrest the person once the person is coming from abroad? So obi sika na wo penachi na. Enipa no okoche na bro fira manoneba. Say udi atuo ne sika ne soldier for mo ahye helmet. And if AK-47 nomne offend saying bazooka. So the kochi nipa na ofira bro chireba. Why do you do that? Because nipa ne nipa bia or you be all person onyanim free kronum na on go through the procedures e wo court wa enka opi abonten enka on sign mabiem because this is not the first time am kasa efasa case na modote ne ho so no. Anytime that you call him, the person has come. So tell me why you should go to the airport. Abra nipa ne ba onya fe no tu kwan yo na wo kwa kwache nti se de wonya owudini kese bi e de no kire Ghana man adentia because they wanted to shift attention from the real days, from animguasia who and this for in these days, from animguasia any sabio Yankopona wo pia wonka kama achi nkrofo we ya omuni baby omfo omani nchire. They don't know where they should turn their faces. And turning contompone sabio nkasatwi omkasatwi ampipi nyina ene Yankopon am bibi eda di se omu ye kontompo for. So they don't know how to put their face. Now especially samra no person omonsesa no court, a Supreme Court hono. That is the main reason why they are arresting people. Because, brother, it's also a political party that you came in power with the intention to prosecute. Any corrupt official there, bra, chireme, DNT this bedi akuga. And this if why yati omo prisoner, yati yedi omo asema ko courtwa hwehwe won file man who said no nkrofo omo ho asem, nkrofo omo apokro no. Adenti this ba ya, where you won nyina. When you want your case, you feel got so many problem. Na mom no, say you say all coaching for. A fe na oba be won asebu. Ahu so mo wo guilty. Obo wa asema so mo meya no, ana so mo ni asema so meya no. This is what the problem is. Because obi I will see you after. Who pese umeko emphasis dwumushe or kankan ne proyase there. I support you, but you should not be somebody said you at the same time we pick and choose. Says this in Yabokro no there be a nyabone, but some people in your more chrono crana yenchino just because you want to show where the power lies. Now when the Yoko became a state body or to be changed party too. Yoko doesn't have the right to arrest anyone. Yoko can do investigations and submit their report to the Attorney General. And from there, the Attorney General will take the neat steps necessary for the accused person. But I'm saying this for him say, Omun to me continue power court because Omun the Nipanico court, obviously, the person is going to defend himself and he's going to win. So they cannot arrest you. Ye match Yoko eko chow ikitikitimoa ne do aba beto says ne the bail anu edene bail na anu meneka so abwaje 50 million Ghana cedis atay obi ono akona brochire na wasan aba wo se wo case yo ho ya cho entino bra wo peso wo san pia ma 50 million Ghana cedis. This is because they want to show where power lies. They want to make sure say they punish some people even though it's not a right way. So they are using the bail conditions as a form of punishment on the people. But the reason why they are doing this, they want to shift attention from the criminal intender. They intend to say, on some constitution, no, not on term, no, a criminal because you instigate people, you make people angry. You make the lion, the sleeping lions, you know, you make them awake. And this can cause disaster and damage to our country. And the reason why they are arresting people is just to keep people quiet. The reason why they are arresting people is because they don't want their hidden agenda, the dark part of the NDC agenda, to come to power 2028 to be heard by people. But it shall not stand. It shall never and never stand. We will work towards this and we will make sure everything breaks apart. Yebeka safa ho abusianfo we MPP communicator forget about sansem na omo kritino. Mama yenka samfa saade we ho. The fact is that the constitution does not allow anyone to have 2 terms as a government, more than 2 terms as a government. That is what we have to talk about, because eno ene koso ewo ho. Now, you see, His Excellency John Mahama today, asemo ya mi ene ono ankasa be country Ghana for say yes, enokre opetete manko. But you know, Mahama is somebody who always want to fool Ghanaians. Mahama is somebody who always want to show say he's wiser than every Ghanaian. Asam no be kan okwan bi so, but answer na yebeko yanim no. I want you to see this. Where the entire American say arrest be or more year, it is just to cover the evil mind no. Ti asem weti.
Isa say to coin there 55 million asem no come say o say o enyampa obi ani men kan 55 million asem bia. Me call no omni me di nkomo be about them say 5 million contract bia ye the man will be. Eno na omo bisa me ho asem. Today into no be chiro statement because omo weaponize state institutions say miracles kasa dodo. Yen say o ma catch them say next week ombechi ye MP baako because ye kasa dodo.
Omampo mama ni say
Oma na say nyina ye wonam for on the other side ye wonam for system.
And obi anim say we are now
Ye de yen nim. Esi afreme. Because say ye kasa dodo. Aden ye aban hu dede say because omo pese obi abekasa na mama nka o studio na meka chiro say aban we opese oka obia kasa bo ahye ne yam. We start with Chief Justice or the akofa MPs so ntim for jo mo ne ade or chechire ba or the aba central force so ni ade afi ordinary members of the society or chechireba because of agenda bi we chire a opese ebedru ho no na be me bia ni kromo tumi kasa into or chechireba and they say yes a young lady bi okoke kan sem bia bia as film kakra wa TikTok yes 1 year amano 1 year yes okodu court kra no ni lawyer and now lawyer dimika be gina na chi say obegina ha my lord first day no oni lawyer nti ono ade amukeka no ntiase ti ene me lawyer ma ba nti yen starting foforo ni yen taking the plea foforo judge ni si ontie miracle ba ni ebisa no say ti wo coin dey 55 million asem no come say o say o enyampa obi ani men kan 55 million asem bia me coin no omni me di nkomo be about them say 5 million contract bia ye de man obi eno na omo bisa me ho asem. Today into no be chiro statement because omo weaponize state institutions say miracles kasa dodo. Yen say o ma catch them say next week ombechi ye MP baako because ye kasa dodo.
Omampo mama ni say
Oma na say nyina ye wonam for on the other side ye wonam for system.
And obi anim say we are now
Ye de yen nim. Esi afreme because say ye kasa dodo. Aden ye aban hu dede say because omo pese obi abekasa na mama nka o studio na meka chiro say aban we opese oka obia kasa bo ahye ne yam we start with Chief Justice or the akofa MPs so ntim for jo mo ne ade or chechire ba or the aba central force so ne ade afi ordinary members of the society or chechire ba because of agenda bi we chire a opese ebedru ho no na be me bia ni kromo tumi kasa into or chichireba and they say yes a young lady bi okoke kan sem bia bia as film kakra wa TikTok yes 1 year amano 1 year yes okodu court kra no ni lawyer and now lawyer dimika be gina na chi say obegina ha my lord first day no oni lawyer nti ono ade amukeka no ntiase ti ene me lawyer ma ba nti yen starting foforo ni taking the plea foforo judge ni si ontie.
Yes, interpretation say utie asema yewien e kan ya di omo ye bia no ye plan enti osi MPP so no mo kasa dodo enti ye nchichi omo ntum se oti asema papa ika ye ya osi the NDC idea ne say MPP for no mo kasa ye nchichi omo ntum because plan na omo ye ne no Sa mahama agenda no mo build na busiamo fanchep. So mo makwan ma amanfo kasa fa ho a ebesai party no because se Ghana for yeti ye kama Ghana for to say NDC for ahye that church say mahama ansanko for the second time. Every Ghanaian will be angry. And this is why the NDC don't want Ghanaians to hear. In fact, the Yatin wa Bontin and they say Yachi Melakosabuaji because we're disika 55 million. Abusia, I didn't hear. Abusia, I didn't hear. Melakosabuaji or Nankasa, lawyer say, Ninipana, yadre call court no, yadre call police for Yoko. Obia misane 500,000 cedis be a problem. On say, Abusia from Mamino. Mami Diana Memoakwa pa. Come style. Melakosabuaji lawyer Babo Teno. Asema obeka kire ye ne se Melakoso ye de ko prison one and I said de ko yogo for almost says for no ya mfana nkoso ode kawo omoko hono mo ankasa mfa 50 million cedis bia ho enti sansem na onu begu abontena ye ntro. The reason in say they wanted to shift the attention of Ghanaians from what is going on in the country. They wanted to shift the MPP communicators, especially from what is happening. Mahama Samewa Supreme Court, so the president TBM. And then at to within shorter possible time in the country. This is what they wanted to do. In fact, and then the Biasa Kasa Mahama Nano etro. Mahama Oko to say Kennedy Japan Nano etro. And some way Nam and Framamwa, ye can one sem say, na Yura Mahama pa. Sana out here. Adia was so bedi, Nano one Kasawaka said 4 years of a good leader is better than, shall say, 10 years of a bad leader. What come I at him? So the 4 years there. You can do whatever you think that you want to do for Ghanaians. And then Mohammed can't Ghana for say our attention to go to the third term. He is using a manner be to say indirectly. Mahama is telling Ghanaians to say he wants to go for the third term. But listen to the manner. You Mahama the cancer no actually Ghana 14.
A little comment. The people of Ghana gave me a mandate for 1 term, and I am working hard to meet the promises I made them. And so I always tell my ministers, I say let's number our days so that we can work harder to meet the promises we made the Ghanaian people. I know that people have gone to the Supreme Court seeking interpretation of the clause that governs the tenure of the president. If you ask my personal opinion, I thought that it was clear enough. Me, I've read it over several times. It's exactly what it says, but
it is very slight. And yes, like a very light. Papa we a very treacherous. Or can't Ghana phone you now say or no dear. Say Omoko Supreme Court or no Mobano Mokase or no betumia kote tema. A yene plan or non a prani yo. Number no a young crofobinum ne dia seven cockord gono de agreement dear. Pipia and prefer say the term a one dear aka or tissue. But me about ma Papa we a draw phone contumpo for. So after 2016 defeat, Papa Weba said he has spoke to his family and is not interested in contesting any election in Ghana. But what you see 2020, na Papa Idinam contested. And then Asamia Papa can very little. I say, or not there, what kind constitution no many times. interpretation no actually say only one term to go, but what tends to say and crofobinum the accept no yet echo him echo court say yen koka and church the muye. How many times and a president put to me a dear kuda? And to another nim hore, I was ya, me about ma. Italy for Becca's about me or the Nensa Epikai. As I say, a mess on a man of Vant. As Jen said, what shall see defending what they are tregan for? Says, or Mokono, Mobano, Mocas, or no to me a copiema, or Bacco, but a yarn on a compare remove. Hey, Papa, what son you see, he want NDC motto is we want weak-minded people to lead them. Temiepa, we want weak-minded to lead them. And there are some papa you can say, whatever will come out, no, it is not him who went for it. But chance number to hold your bay.
I thought that it was clear enough. Me, I've read it over several times. It's exactly what it says. But if they want to ask the Supreme Court, that is their business. But I know that the people of Ghana gave me one additional term, and I'm going to work to meet the trust that they put in me. Thank you very much.
Trust that they gave you, you have already bounced it. You came in just to make your family rich and rich. I was the same way, and I made a better about this. It is just to divert your attention. But some of us, we will never divert our attentions to talk about Menake. We will not talk about that. We will talk about the problems in the society. The incompetency of John Mahama. And then Rebecca Safa. Miracles, Yachine Bejano. And your medium Punanka and your TMPP Nine for 50 million, 70 million, Brana, Yamao Bela, in Kayenya, Nipan Fama Yoku for no Kitano. They say you cannot keep the person for 48 hours. 48 hours in the Duran, who they see. Me to me, allow them, let them out, let them keep them. Yeah, the attention is different. The reality of the fact, and I'm sure Papa will hear the oil. It is completely different. They just want to divert you. Yeah, Casa family now Supreme Court judges also interpreted the law in the favor of John Dramani Mahama. That is what is going on. That is what going on. Meeting any Ras Media GH. Mr. Sebomade, and subscribe to this channel. Like the video, no commenting. Now you who na yenchao. Aye. And then your first time, so I know subscribe on all the social media handles on YouTube, Facebook, and TikTok. Ras Media GH. I'm saying for me, Ras Media TV, Ras Media GH, and S. And if any channel or hot TV, I was saying the program over YouTube soon and say, such channel know how me here watch hours. I just said, Mugwame. Move me video so I make you go home, outreach. So that we are made to me as an monetizing back my channel. Yanto aso, I am going on another matters. Another matter better what say. And this ni ohima maybe. Osiwepia. And this in your hemama, no siwepia. The entire wepia.
The fee NDC, yeah, NDC need deal. Who said MPP, no quaffo, some me, MPP, and some MPP. For it make a such a me, and I get printing, and I never say, and I yet, but in your bonnet, we are bad penina. We are back on the floor, no move to me for who said MPP, Kwa, or me let you, Akasa Cheme, I met to Meja, Akosimba, Unakopon, or the Bemame. Yo, this year I made the Bemame. Tina, the free NDC, and this new Shamia Chame. Oh, NDC need be able to die. We do not about MPP. I'm doing crying in our choir. Ye MPP ni ye coupe. With it, Chobadop, you got to about a ton of wasse. Me call Potwaba any one city, every party be a muda, and this is for me, no Sika one city crada. Ne, me MPP ni, yeah, my tremidin, Ediama, near me bay. Kofua yo, ne, Mohomia Medaha, Mona Messi, you said MPP ni, said, about the seal ya yetu. I'm a penny for far hockra. Yeah, you prepare her, and so won't it the day. What is she moko that war? Yeah, moko that war. And you cry, you may get Emma who are ama so many. Yeah, the party young Cabayan to party, Cabayan can talk for us. Yeah, house if ya ne missing her, ne Edem, you young kids so deep up row. I bet you who are. Yeah, but some missing her. In fear, be a fan line. Yet, said Yetia, Toma Baha, also a Subian Kuna.
Yes, and to my mahama was so yen this because also and this for a to trust for. Yanto in Koyanim, Papa Yefan Justice Tukuba, I ain't in him. Papa now could be a sem. Ewo NPP NDC general election sabio ojeje de ma NDC no ene papa na babontre wo twapa na metumenti ni video no nsema ode na
Honorable Majority Leader, Honorable Anote. Is that the case now? Debatable. Thank you, at least. Well, that is not it. Truth is one and indivisible. Except you are talking politically. You know it. I see this parliament as standing for something else than the interests of Ghanaians. That's how I see it. Some of them are good, but others are immersed in loyalty to the party and to whoever for the time being is president, maneuvering to progress along the political ladder, irrespective of honesty, fairness, good service to the people of Ghana. That's what I have seen, and I've said it. I'm not saying these things out of spite, not at all, but it's necessary, because the ship of state has tilted very, very ominously. Happily, as I say, all is not lost. There are some people who are good politicians.
Anti Papa we are telling this cinema power. But look at the anger this man is using in expressing himself against his own party. I say, Parliament where is mahama yariga ni di anymore no. On Parliament and say it is only for their betterness, personal interest, political career development. And the ebeyaman nipa dasani huaton. No. The NDC majority in Parliament does not care. Temiepa, Nagana Fonayana, people forget. Temiepa, me say in Ghana, we always forget. Because Yehuda Mahama is somebody new in the political arena. He is somebody who has been ruling for 4 years before, who has been a vice president for 4 years before. We know him. And Justice Tukuba, what is strange for you? We knew him. These promises that Mahama made in 2024 were taken promising before. With the collaboration of his own journalist. And this is for journalist Kesepa Nana Jantwa of Ahimfie TV. And then me mana be expose you John Mahama di achrew. Like the video do not share a comment man. promises are mahama de amagana for no since then I'm a permanent and the word so you are near Samba studio the video na memorize near money
2012 manifesto no
2012 DD.
Also say
we all say 2012 manifesto advancing the better Ghana agenda. Sabren so be kai answer na ye better 2012 about not 2008 about Ghana agenda.
Right.
And almost Sabeka say we need year Professor Mills the time. Now the better Ghana agenda there. John Dramani Mahama by and also okay. Sabeta Ghana agenda na ye and the canin. We need ye be advancing ye be count. I'm a better Ghana no acquainted. Mtino say advancing the better Ghana agenda. Asia ho
o de hwe aha anti asio tie nsema o kan.
Asia o say jobs.
2012 tie mo amon kan manifesto no entina Ghana makacho say ye problem ni nyina ne say ye parking kan and ye problem ni nyina ne say ye tie dede mo ye tie amanyosem e be ma ya suma ye de chain said ye be boa yankasa eno na ye problem no one say ebi kra ref say NDC for emre bi omo manifesto na ye de tuma wo mu no omo ka nsem bi sa enti ase omo say jobs adwuma and a face to stability. Just say, emphasis stability. Bibia betimia akoso manai pepe ejina so ama we eba ejuma na wo ya sikaba be kwa nimu. And to the atmosphere or see development enti and for say ye to abamana ejuma beba Enyoma be koneni enti 2012 no enyoma 4 enom di gina so enyoma 4 President John Mahama di gina so ye ba ko ye putting people first 2012 no that manifesto no read here there were 4 key thematic areas enyoma 9 first putting people first or the nipa bedi kan sana John Mahama ka tell you
sure
the tosumienu or say strong and resilient economy amemu a eho odia betimi de ho atono so baako infrastructure development
ye besi hospital
akwan transparent and accountable
government that say bibia beda ho fan am say bia o say na ekosika say na wo ho na obi ehu de eko
apart infrastructure John Mahama ya ade 3 so di ni pedi kan say amamuo bone pa na John Mahama at that time amamuo bone
say na ne hokra enya konokra bio
amamuo bone John Mahama de afam no ginyame ena corruption in nkrofo ejida ne ho ahwanse ne basa enti out of phone baako
which is
infrastructure and you see there was also bia
okay schools
enti e tell say ni manifesto no kra kan ye no no any gidie wom
no ni gidie
and ma Ghana for to tia
no aye kof okay
prosperous nation developing well-planned safe communities while protecting the natural environment.
I want to get a good one.
I heard him say that we could not keep the lights on. How can we run 24 hours? In 2016, Doomsaw had been solved. Nobody's lights went off in 2016. I heard him say that we could not keep the lights on. How can we run 24-hour economy? In 2016, Doomsaw had been solved. Nobody's lights went off in 2016.
The point is that even electricity na sem na wo kan na se for the 24-hour economy no kra na ne bo ayedi ne bo President John Mahama under 24-hour economy ono nso dia okaye.
But we know that there will be obstacles. One, you need to provide security because people must be able to work in the night without.
So, how's everything going?
I'm trying to get it now. You two for her agenda. Okay.
Yes, the agro-processing sector. That is those who will process our cassava into cassava starch, cassava flour, gari, and all that. There's a huge market in Africa for.
Mpese utie President John Dramani Mahama ono nso adwuma okaye efa 24-hour economy no ya dikan boy free 2012 ya ba MPP 2016 the same adwuma ya na Ghana for the tutia no the same adwuma ya na afedo okoba ye se 24-hour economy no ebetimi aye all the magic amano entientie enyoma na okana.
That is those who will process our cassava into cassava starch, cassava flour, gari, and all that. This is the 24-hour economic clock.
Timbacho Muntie, President John Dramani Mahama, on only 24-hour economy, Bacho, peke nyoma no mami. Na yenti nyoma na kosono. Because Makacho say, in project management, Kofi, in project management, ope so ye jumedi biana, shishe yo. What's na siye we so ope so ye wadwem pono.
Okay.
The aka ye planning.
Planning
No na nanom betro we free BB project management triangle. So wo planning asamre na wo de nkrata toto fom no. Ade ba ko a wo hye eye emra wo de beye eye sika ene adwuma ne tetrete, which is the scope, the time, the resources. And no na wo de beye. It is a wo ka so be 24-hour economy a obeye no breben. Asika sen we twa to ho.
Sen e besi aye tetrete.
Sen ne te sen.
Enti
yenti ne kakra on the 24-hour economy. Makacho say ebe adwuma both NDC ne MPP. Oma da Ghana for and they say adie bet no MPP for so be campaign
dey manifesto no be ka say be adwuma ye be bi adwuma ma
enti yenti 24-hour economy President John Dramani Mahama and also kikan no.
This is the 24-hour economic clock. One job, 3 shifts, 3 people. 1, 3, 3. One job, 3 shifts, 3 people. Obi abedidi. Ezu. Extraordinary problems require extraordinary solutions for extraordinary results. And so businesses and public organizations will be encouraged to operate 24/7 in 3 shifts of 8 hours. This will boost production, it will increase employment and provide paying jobs. It will transform Ghana into an import substitution and export-led country. It will increase employment opportunities and revenue, and it will enhance access to public services.
So far, President John Dramani Mahama ninsem ni bia o keka no se sen.
Ninsem o ka ne se, sabre na emebun su se omunye adwuma nya no o se, se nyame adom na Ghana fo to abama no which is 2024.
Meanwhile, ono so time no adwuma no went.
It you say obey 24-hour economy. It you say ye adwuma ba ko a enipa miensa ne be omo asa be ko 3 shift. Enti se bia se ye adwuma ba ko a kwaku ba ono no be ye ne 8 hours up. Opon a na adwoa ba. Na adwoa so pon a na ya oso abeye bi. Enti one job, 3 people, 3 shifts. Enti sanka adwuma na nka baby ye for nipa 100 no. Say 3 shift no e ba be nipa 300. And also agimpo etechire ni say sa one job, 3 people, shift in the bar. Ebeboa ama businesses etuma koso. Ebeboa ama businesses net to me afa enyuma bebre na e boost to production ne say sa enyoma na adwumakuo ni eye no ombetumi aye ni bebre enyoma no kra be boost wo Ghana ye di bi be ko broni krom na etumi ama yesika sam etumi agina brani
yento aso na yentie ne 24-hour economy no ni nyina agina so adwuma.
We will focus on some selected public institutions that have huge customer traffic. For instance, the ports and harbors should be open 24/7. That means we have to employ more workers at the port. We have to employ more customs officers, more Gapoha workers, more forklift operators and all that. We need customs. Customs should work 24/7, 3 shifts, so that at any time your items come, customs at the time of the day is open for business. You can go and process your import things, papers, and take your things out of the port. You must have a passport office that is operating longer than 8 hours, so that people who need passports and other such documentation can have access to it. We must have a DVLA that is working more shifts than one shift so that more people can get their licenses processed in a shorter time than the current waiting time. In the private sector, the sectors that we are looking to promote and encourage to run 24/7 and 3 shifts are first the agro-processing sector. That is those who will process our cassava into cassava starch, cassava flour, gari, and all that. There's a huge market in Africa for all these products and in other parts of the world.
So far, I'll say.
And so far, my friend John Dramani Mahama can say, send a bay as 24 hours. Minute ever cost for you, but the point is, I bring to a poor who are daddy, Nipa, Echo dumping more. She said, Nipa or more or Muya Juman Esano. I buy say 24-hour economy in the bar. Nititre pa any pots and habono. Or sit down in the Nipa Kobo dumping more. It is a 24-hour economy in the bar. Sa a Nipa or Muya Juma or more bed also.
And see what we are trying to do, Nene, for example, Okapot.
And
see what your head of research ABA and say say a capota your baba researcher who say pot no efani pasen kai say abansi obekreti one ebema 24-hour economy ni bema at least 1.7 to 2 million jobs. 1.7 to 2 million jobs out of 24-hour economy. And I say aban nyuma no maybe a beshase no e be a pot. It's your researcher who say pot so mo yesi. It wo mo yesi near the times 2 account.
It is be a nipa 100 na ye adwuma or pot. Because of 24-hour economy, no, yeah, you can say I'm ready. Or more do 300.
Simple.
Because 8 hours. Ejuma bako, nipa miensa.
Na we are near tier free 1.7 million nimu.
Na yahwe. Aye. Simple. Dear Baba Yado. Enti John Dramani Mahama say, Sanyoma we nyina no oya, ebetumi ama ye security agencies no, enyuma ye kuo no sa, enyuma ye fo omo ho no. Omo bedosu bebre. Afen so mu say ye nioma ni bi wo hwa ye no Ghana ha enkrofo ma sunya omope nanso ne dodo no esua ye ntumi hye da mfa nko ebi ti say omo ye gari o say gari we wo market pa it is a 24-hour economy ni ba na say gari no baby aye che gari say nipa miensa na wo hwa e o say 24-hour economy ni boa e ma afedie omo be ye enipa enkono fi say miensa no de times miensa e wo say wunya enkono say de be ye ho so enipa pii so betumi anya adwuma aye.
So we ask Muton Gary, Muton Banchi, Mamoye Banchi Waju. Mebusa se Muton Banchi, Muton Gary, Abai by Wababe Humuana, Muamoye Banchi Waju Mano, Abai NDC, Abai by no Gary for any cassava for no. Akosi say, first question a Mebusa.
Sign a Nyoma Echo.
Yentuaso.
Ain't it
Manufacturing that is in the industry. So the fruits, juice making industry, all the iron and steel, we are carrying 24/7.
So Hano Okade.
Or say the Okan Minina. Behwe asoya ehwe emfidi nyuma ho nsem ho enti omo ye ntoma obi wo ho a ebia onimtaa enda ye GTP4 wo ho akoso mo tester or ATL4 nyina wo ho enti saa ne oba no e na oba behwe na yetumi aye ne bebre saa so ye ne betumi aye omo adwuma ne bebre na no so nipa pi enya adwuma aye.
Okay,
enti saa
so o use word be encourage
ye be show mu nkra
say policy be here voluntary. You cannot assume. Because according to say bompa say nipa beba. It is different from saying say nipa 1,000 yenyomu.
Okay.
Parce que we conversation.
Sure.
Ye koye event. Ahimfie FM koye event. Ya ton take is 1,000. It bet me account say nipa 1,000 and ye expect some beba. Nemum field met me for nipa 1,000. But ya ton 500. What you say? Yenti min ka say nipa 1,000 ebeba.
Name the other country, ye hesse, by ye no, ebia na petado bekona nipa 700.
Sure, and you bet me yes.
Enti 24-hour economy no, ye what the aban etimi ye. And then a person who said, they are binding me yet to say be a DVLA immigration ne port no. Omu do yes saying
no correct.
Then oba ankran to medianima
kronuma
aba enye force
debi
eye aban no so obeyen hyehye na nipa na ye eno ne sa no untimi mfa mmobra
debi
because sika eni hu no ye mfa mmobra
debi
we na President John Mahama kan no o kan it say be a social studies teacher on say social studies teacher na yo the government must the government shall the government I was say it was say ye ne empanyifo ne ankran bedi nkomo say ye mfa mmobra every say obi a woye odwumawura ni bia no enye te se waka 24-hour economy ni nti na okoye owo nhyehyeye eho akade a eka ho wuti ase na nse mi nia baako me pese me bo brand ni din say businessmen a omukoyi nyoma free port they are crying businessmen sadie we na ye de bo MPP for 3 so
yeah
support nyoma ne boy den
sure
aban we buy no and no the AI bia banka enya bone but busa say businessmen say so mkoyi omu nyoma e wo port bra wo mu brani sika wo mu die etua ba ko se first no under MPP kra ne yesu no na mkoyi nyoma na mayire so bia 80,000 na 90,000
na we
enne or the me 1.6 billion
a day
old currency
a day
under John Dramani Mahama.
And you know also no because of the flat rate in Hong Kong.
And I may say, I'm telling you, me wafa enemy business partners so can your mabau. And I can tell you say businessmen no mukoyi nyoma wo port no. Omusu omobre. Meanwhile, President John Mahama drew baby kranam se port krebe free.
Aye.
Ebia AI na odiaba no odiaba se obi wia. But don't for AI ne ma na nyoma kosro na businessmen ni esu na abai where you ni just because you want money. And then you are talking about 24-hour economy. And you say me kokra nyoma free portoba na first ne bia de me ye bia 80,000 na they say record 1.6 minti me 24-hour economy no minti me fan crofo adwuma yie it 24-hour economy na wo encourage me say menye no enye ye
me fa me ho nkosha say because me kwe meboka
ebi wanya bibi enti
yes enti abusia nsem wo ye ba abontra wotie ni nyina enye me na me ka o we eye NDC journalist kase pa ye nyina enim no ana jantoa ono na ekasai mimi asami jasi mimo akoba yepa ya ankasa your personal enemy journalist ono de do kasetia NDC ene kase fe na jantoa ono na mama na akwanya mana nchiro promises of John Mahama dem 2012 I want to me ani so ene de ode be mo 2020 mu a wasan de bre 2024 mu a ote ho a osafa ho na wasan plan underground so person mra teta but they through what now the Biatu Timon said this man is really someone that you can never trust. Now Ghana journalist na through Babi am wasembi ebisa. Nana Jantwa aya de bia ayem wapa. Now I want to ask this and keep it said. Enti nsembi no papa yi kan enne na onim ne dada. Na so onim ne dada so dia die ne si ne kwan nyama na nka no kore asem no se die sitie amfa nkyere nipa dasani na odi ntrombom de kyere Ghana fo sikane sabio $2,000 ya apia stadium ne na asem okaye se ye de man na jantoa na oye adwuma entina jantoa nim niema we nyina efa John Mahama ho ena wa mo Ghana fo amane asaba mebisa sentina na jantoa enim nsem we nyina ena wanka ena otena ho eye ne ho se de onim hoe enkontompo we nyina na onim wa oni padasani na ena mebebo video bia chiro if you will not get shocked or you will not get shocked ever sana na jantoa we yasna ba betena se on his platform sign bona na do abaso on the free education na we are saying say we nyai abetwa yebehu akokono mawre tie video we na yensamra sisia
me wonyoma bi wo ho a papa ne ye ya meka ho asem but opa ko akire when it comes to education makan wo ha in fact I me compare education that of NDC ni MPP MPP e was in terms of investment in education e chen NDC still na no yebra haruna idrusu ontimi mache sa records na yebra nana kufuado ho ema education it's free senior high school e baye odi kan de minia panyin napo e baye napo bon ne ho modern pa to ensure say free senior high school no ya shase say edio say enya dio ya shase ko president by 2017 but the first year now no say there be free senior high school na was say shase e no ye ni ye ye betimi aka say challenges wo ho but bibie ni ho challenges eni. But he was committed say free senior high school no obey ama na yi oye yenso eduru baby kra na nkra no any baby omu beda eduru baby kra na yesi green any blue. The most important thing was that despite our for be kana green ni blue ni na se for to the bia omu be trafie 1 month na oma trafie 3 months no ma ko school 1 month ni na se for no ni nyina keka bo mu no at least abofra bi etimi ko school free under na nado dan ko akufuado. That was progressive thinking. On my be able to education and no na do dan Kufuado ye no. And then me go so born a bus was our education ho. Why ya dear ewo education. Adisua sika wodi shemu die din die mre ni nyina wo se nkra ni nko school. Enti na po free ho no. And I hear a doctor yaw edutum ebaye. Papa no so ba beto ade na po eye no so no. Osa de kon ani mo. Emi ehun se enwomesua be kon anim yi a. Na se e wo se ye movie from debia de ye di baba ne babadie no ne ye de ekọ de abel from quantum de tie. Ebusia Mamin kansel ene adusua sesa. Adusua asesa. First no na ye ka adusua na obi a na adwene se ontra classroom nko a ene asesa. Ene obetimi atena wo fie na wasua de nyina wie. Enyo ma sesa.
Nana janto na ekasa say yo. Na asema mbisa sentina na woni manema we nyina e na wotena se kata wani di ntrotwa nkontompo edidi nanado ne MPP fo nyina tem se omonye hwe abra wonim se ene da bia me no kasa oman bi be kona ni meye nwomasua abra wonim se ene da bia me no kasa se wopese oman sesan ye nwomasua na aban bia bana odi nkrofo ma eko school for free na meet now platform so ekata di papa na tem eguda ni masifita yen to abantia no apra na wa ankasa wonim say the man was doing the right job. This is what I'm asking you. And now better I say John Mahama yen trofo yen kontomponi ne 24-hour economy ontumi nyamani yeye na nando danka Kufuado mom na kire say ne policy oba o yomani yeye. Na ne policy no kuro de be ne kura na so wo mfaso e de nkoso ni nkanko na ebre oman no e de oman ne sesa hyebre e kɔ nanim because ne adesua e na sesa nipa desani abrabo kwasi ampanyi ne we nim nsem we nyina otena ase wo nhyira FM kan sema e time de fananado ho abra na wonim se one another is doing is a changing of a generation. Yes, generational development and another the agenda here. One when the echo and the common teachers omo salary cry intimin pia teachers in kwon omo salary intimin pia na nkampese the cost of borders and crofo omo school because yɛwɔ visionary leader ɛna yɛwɔ sycophant leader. Visionary leader no any PN leaders na ɔmo di MPP amanyɔkuo n'anim a ɔmo seek beyond the box. Ɔmo hu nneɛma efiri the usual. Ɔmo tumi hu nneɛma no beyond. Ɔmo think about the future. Look at what J. Kufuor did. Where Juma J. Kufuor in 8 years, how J. Kufuor was able to transform the whole country. You heard that Tamas Mahama Bay, Yasam between yen, the Ekoyachi. And then the Bion make us a wuti me, can't you say Katawanina can nema Emiansan Rollins, 18 years on as a government, 18 good years, 18 solid stoppable years as a government. Katawanina can samba kuchirem in the NDC Abanya Odi Ghana so 18 good years yeah. The Obeka and say Ogugu I come for your big business. The Obeka and say you come judge for the Obeka say you coup d'etat. Ye kasa can send papa chairman assemble kupobe to me can say district local government defending district assemblies. And then yet the only thing Rollins yeah as at today. Eye adebia apeye pillar of our democracy. All the rest of the 18 years were all things about sycophants, about them. That is the character of the NDC. That is the character of the NDC. But a balance cheap propaganda, yenin tronkontompo yankata yaninkandi yenim just to win elections. Nobody goes close to them. They are very powerful in that. At that perspective, you know, the NDC is very powerful. Propaganda machinery, building a weaponized propaganda team to destroy others. And we're at the top. But when it comes to the effectiveness of performance as a government, they are so they don't know how to bring out ideas every developer or minor in the time coming. And the good board I can want me a Dr. Bawumia idea and omo afa omo yene de omo de. The gold purchases program I na me no sunti ane NDC for tuminye sika e di koura market no e di manipulate the dollar to CD rate no e Dr. Bawumia adwene. NDC cannot sit down and think in and bring out a new idea. All this about what somebody has done. Let's chop something small and let's say any buy. A business mahama care. Mahama care is part of health care, health free what them call free insurance. Some part of free insurance fund and a Mahama care. So where does that come from? This is what I want to tell you. And they have nothing. So who could do a mochikoye campaigner? Ubenu ho and no be na to kwasi ampanyi we a friend na jantoa o hu de onya. And now sorry are now 10. We no omofu and omodenam. And the electricity man our own Jimmy no can the ope. O this can we na ban hoso. No who the omoya fe no de nsaguniti. This is what is happening to Nanjantua today. Oh, the oka. Listen to this video too.
Video no. Ebuchan say afena wu tia de can say. Yet ye NDC ni MPP no. The tiene say nipa say wu enano peya wo konongo kwan so. Nipa 13 enewu e wo konongo. Inti me bo voice bia just recently mini aketwa Amaru Shako ye abrantia or the social media e cause positive change. Na sa kwa no so mafaso na me faso no before then no fa me other video no so to so e mame mafasa akwa no so enche obi a wafa enkran kwa so go to my page biem obi a wafa enkran kwa so pen no me faso mafasa akwa no so na me ko eastern region me ana me drive here enkran kwa so se wo kwa ubetimi awu no matter how careful you are. Me the time na me driving to so sa kwan no se bia ukon kran ya cha aha enu nie be hwe enkran kwa de ntia obetimi awu we me drive na me ma obi twae as of now na obi a wafa sa akwan no so no ekwan no eduru ba bi abobo ti se nkuto enkran kwa so no abobo kikiki abobo ebi kura sei entito da bi atesa wo fa enchen mom enti we me free eastern region eba ana me drive as of now enibia ba ya ye akrakwa so just one lane ba ko corner ba ko ba ntihwew the possible thing ebetimi akoso accident ni because ekwan ni swa it won't say ebi na nam ho urban and na wo hwe kwan ni so a etutu camera ni na enye but ekwan na etutu ebi ni o ekwan na tutu enkran kwa so and the reason why it is say ye ba na tie bi obi tie paya obe face you say can ekọ na nyame ampata bra Facebook and ambition wo TV so we na me driving from eastern region eba me pese me chọ enkran kwa de enti ekọ so accident enye bayi o enye bayi the problem ni eno na ne kase na do dankwa kufuado ene me bona baso papa no nim die and one of the things that Nana Akufo-Addo ya de pa say ekwan bia wu se no waye na adwen so obey no obie kwan nim ade a mani gye won Nana Akufo-Addo sa de no ho se ekwan bia na opese o ya nkenye sika ya wa bie kwan nim se de be ya kwan no kwa enko obi kura nkopem but in krankwa so say netie ubewu in krankwa so me so we careful say obi be ku kwa because etia wo na oba yakasa tina ne say fasikashim na anka bypass na Nana Akufo-Addo aye no ye wie ansa no ayo expressway aban se twintwan ma menka no krankyerɛw me ye building technologies I majored in civil works engineering no yet ase expressway no John Mahama bewie president ni enya wie me say kabim expressway no President John Mahama enwie ansa na ne time abawie minka se expressway ni nye ba Ghana ni $4 billion se sie yi se de be se adwuma no meanwhile anka bypass no $300 million no ebetimi aye bypass na wie a Nana Akufo-Addo die no nanka eso ate nanka abana nya bre no aye ne expressway ba yesi twintwan yesi twintwan ono so be ye ne de expressway me foaso but me say anka be boase aban ebe wie bypass no na yenhwe konongo bypass no Amaru Shako ekoye nwodwa me minim sa kwan na eka sa bypasses na Nana Akufo-Addo ye no senka wie pe Accra ubetimi di 2 hours kra ba ebetimi afele de expressway ni pese ye ne daache no.
Yes, Entebusiana na Jantuana and Nedia Obo Yura Nana do Danko Akufo-Addo na Basono. We are Sana Tier. One kaime ansua obe kaime asre. Sana we are see tier. Ayebo udim boneno ochna yebeka wasem edi akaiwo ewo ne bapam. Abusafo me de umbesia na oche yankopon ya abuduma ya sign ehia biem. Meeting NRS Media GH on YouTube and on Facebook. Akra mu nyina meda mu nyina se mama ama me chia ye pa me asami jase me chia pa from Hamburg. Sansona John Faith Gerard Kennedy me chia ye pa me mama da na pia won so me chia me panye we sun coffee me chia ye pa me chia adofo nyina me kwasi Asamoah ene Mr Asante me chia mu nyina Facebook wa molaki ye Dauda Abdullahi Ajibet Obiri Yeboa Osei Gideon Aseda Ben Adu Ernest Seidu Sulemana Mohammed Hussein enen kafo a mudin ampie nyina me chiache mu nyina da mu nyina ase ne mo breme de umbesia o kire yankopon ya adoma ye besan ahia biem until we meet again adios.